Hey guys, it's Scott here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how I make YouTube thumbnail. I was actually called out by Ahmad Plays, and he's like, dude, you didn't even show me how you made this YouTube thumbnail of a previous video that I did. So I told him, give me 48 hours and I will show you step by step how I do it. So stay tuned, let's get after it. Okay, Ahmad, I'm gonna show you step by step. Let's go here. So I'm gonna go into this other room and I'm going to take a picture next to the tan background, and then I'm gonna erase the background and we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I just shot a picture with that background, show you what it's like with a brown background. Here is my YouTube channel, and this is the video right here where the guy commented, and let's go to the comments and show you. All right, so Ahmad Plays right here. Dude, you didn't even show us how. Marina also said no explanation at all. I feel like it was actually a pretty decent video, but I didn't show exactly how we designed it, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna go to PICMONKEY.com. This is the software I use for that previous thumbnail. Sometimes I use this and other times I don't. Okay, when you land to their homepage, you can just do a free trial. Okay, now that I'm in PicMonkey, I'm gonna go to Create New, and I'm gonna go to Templates. And from here, we're gonna search YouTube thumbnail. This will get you the right sizing and it'll get the ideas coming out, what you want. So here's a good example of what we want to do. I like this white background. We'll make it kind of cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and just delete all this stuff here. Okay, now I'm gonna add my photo. Okay, now before I add my photo to PicMonkey, I'm gonna go to remove.bg and I'm going to upload the image that I just took to this so that way I can remove the background. So here's my image. We're gonna go ahead and download this. And we're gonna put it right into PicMonkey. There it is. Do you see that? Okay, I'm now going to add a white glow or outline around my face and body, my profile, and then I'm just gonna add some quick text that pops out and maybe a better background, and that's it. So I try to make it really simple. Simple is better. So here we go. You click on the image and go to outline. See that? It adds this pink outline. I'm gonna leave it pink. You can change all your images here, you know, your colors, all that stuff. Kind of like that pink. I thought that was kind of cool. So the shadow goes outside of the pink area, which is cool. It'll add even more depth to it, so we'll keep that. And you have to kind of move it out of the way so you can click on stuff like this. Okay, I'm now gonna delete this image right here and I'm gonna start adding some text. I'm gonna go here. I'm just gonna choose add text right here, and I'm just gonna write how to, and click on that, go over here, we have it on Lato, like bold. I think I want to do something really striking here. I need to get rid of this background right now because it's a distraction. There we go. How to. Kind of see it coming together. You can just make it smaller right there. How to. We'll do step by step. Okay, so the rest of this video is gonna be long, and I'm gonna keep it long because I wanna show you literally step by step. And yes, it does remind me of the song Step by Step, Day by Day from the good old Full House, and you will hear me trying to sing it, and I know the lyrics are completely off, just to have some fun. So hang in there if you wanna learn and see literally every step. There's like another 10 minutes of me going through every little thing. You can see my strategies and why I move things around, all that good stuff. So guys, I'll share a little clip here of the audio. You guys can just go at it. Ready? Here we go. This is the best part. Ready? Whatever happens to the bit of tea, the milkman, the paper boy. That's all I know. Everywhere there's a heart, there's a place. I don't even know I'm trying to. You know now. So here you go. You can see all the different things. Ooh, I kind of like that. It's like a simplistic but fun text.
Where's the bee?
We'll play around with that one. Make it a little bigger here.
And where's the bee going?
Let's make it 140. Here we go. And I think so I'm just copying and pasting. I just do Control Command and then Control V. YouTube.
Where is it? Where is it?
There we go. I think that looks kind of good. Put that more up in the corner. Make this smaller. I don't know. Let's see. I think if we add different background to this, it'll help. So I'm going to add these shapes. I think adding a shape is good. Let's see. Let's do square. So just type right in here, square. Here it is, square. And I'm gonna go like this. And you can just, I think, right click and then just move backward. And because it's that color, trying to figure out what color to do. Let's just keep it red, keep it simple right now. So I'm gonna move to back, see how that did that? And then click on that and let's rotate it. How to, I'm gonna use the key, the little arrow keys. So I just did that. Let's do another one, copy, paste. Oh, copied that. So let's copy this, copy, paste. And we'll drag this one right here. We'll switch that to be like that. Drag this one over. And we'll right click, move to back. Okay, we'll move this back over here. How to step by step. Let's change this color. First of all, I'm gonna go like this. It's better to keep the boxes closer because then you can drag, click on this stuff easier. So if we change this to a different color, I'll just show you the difference. So like that. That way it kind of like adds some dimension there. I think I want to change this text actually. It's okay, but so I'm gonna make this smaller like this. How to step by step. Move this over a little bit. YouTube thumbnail. Okay.
I didn't saw what was there.
Trying to figure out how to make that stand out more. Let's move this over a tad. YouTube thumbnail. This has got to stand out better. So I think I'm going to just get rid of this. And let's see, let's go here. YouTube. Aha. Let's go. Let's go here. YouTube logo. And we'll go to images. And I'm just gonna do a screenshot. So I do Shift Command 4 on a Mac. I don't know how to do it on a PC. Just Google that. Okay, so then I will find that right here, drag her down, drag her down, drag her down. Like this, something like that. I'm not sure if I love this either, just playing around. YouTube. And then this one, bring to front, see that?
Horse.
See this, we could make straighter. And bring it to back. That way that layer comes over that. Trying to figure out if I like this or not. Not sure if I do. Thumbnail. I think the thumbnail needs to be the biggest because that is what this topic is all about. You want to keep things simple too. Like I don't even know if I need to do the how-to, but step-by-step YouTube thumbnail. Like those are the main key words. Like that's what we're going after here. Let's add another box. So rather than just going and searching another box, I'm just going to copy and paste this. And I'm gonna drag this to about right around there, and I'm gonna change the angle of it. I think it helps when you do this. All right, right there, and I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna go move to back. See how it moves it all the way behind this too, which is good. Let's see, I'm not loving the way it is right now. I think it's because I need to change this. Right in there, and then this one needs to go back even further, so I'm going to go move layer to back again. Not loving this. Maybe it just has to do with the colors. Let's see, I'm going to pump this down, put that right there. Further down, get a hold of the thumbnail. I'm gonna make it bigger, so I'm gonna go like this to shrink it down, make it easier for me, and then make it bigger, which is grabbing it on the corner. Yeah, I don't love this, so let's see. I sometimes get too picky, and that's sometimes why I choose to make my thumbnails really simple, because this does take time. Thumbnail. I think this is looking decent. Move this over a little bit, get out of the way so I can work on this stuff. I think I need to keep this like right below that, and then move. So I'm grabbing both of these to move them down. Here. And this thumbnail is too crooked, I think. It needs to be something more like this. And I think maybe if I change, okay, sounds good, man. Okay, bye. So I like this, and you know, you can rotate this a little bit. Let me move. I wish this thing was out of the way. Okay, so something like this. You want to put your face over here. This is a good thing, and up a little higher, like how I have it, because there's going to be stuff that will be overlaid from YouTube right here and up over here. So this is, I've studied this stuff. You want to be right around here. Let's see, let's make this a bit bigger. The thing just keeps popping up. Let's see, I'm going to move this over here and drag that there. Okay, so I think this is looking good. I don't know how this, okay, how to step by step. I think we need to move this over so it's all the way to the side. Same with this one. Oh. As you can see, I'm kind of a perfectionist. Done is better than perfect, okay? If you learn anything from this video, done is better than perfect. Just get something up. Because if you take too long, then you'll never get stuff up, and it won't, and you'll just get frustrated. So something like that is good. So what I like to do is edit a copy. Let's just see here. I think there's a way. So I'm now editing a different copy. I like Canva because you can add like another one just below it. That's okay, we'll just stick with this one. I think that I need to change this text. And I think the colors are off, so I need to fix the colors. I think this should probably be, if I'm gonna stick with like this red theme going on, which I like the red because it has to do with YouTube. Let's see, red and red. What do you think, guys? Is that good, bad? I think it's looking all right. I wonder if I can add effects here. Ooh, I can now add some other stuff. This is new. There we go. That's looking more bold, better. You can even add a drop shadow. Ooh, this is looking good. I'm liking PicMonkey more and more. Let's see. Let's do an outline. No, I don't like the outline. It's too much. You know, you're just adding too many things. See, drop shadow. If I make this white, what does that look like? Ooh, I kind of like that. Let's see here. Effects, drop shadow. We'll do this one white again. White as well. How to step-by-step YouTube. I kind of think I need to change, like the YouTube seems too simple with everything else going on here. Oh, I need to make this go all the way over here. Add the thumbnail. So it's coming together. I'm actually liking this. I think this will work. Let's make it a tad, I don't know. Does that look good? How to step-by-step YouTube thumbnail. I think we need to like rotate this just a tiny bit. Make it a little bit more like 3D-ish kind of thing. Maybe make it a tad bigger. So something like that, guys. What do you think? Should we stick with that? I think that's good. I think you get a good idea of how I was able to create this. Of course, just gonna come down to different styling of what you like. So I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna use this as my actual thumbnail for this video. So guys, that is the end of this video. I'll add a little closure here. Okay, Ahmad and anybody else watching this, I hope you found value. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos about this, growing your YouTube channel, generating more traffic, to anything, and specifically affiliate marketing type stuff or your offers, please subscribe and tip that bell notification. Guys, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.